Study Quran Academy Alhamdulillah. We have been teaching the Holy Quran in Pakistan, Dubai, USA, Canada, Kenya, Cameroon, Sri Lanka, UK, Bangladesh, Australia, or in Arab countries for a long time. Urdu, Punjabi, English, Arabic, speaking expert, male and family teacher, teachers 24 hours with fastest internet service, power bank, Nazra Quran, memorization, Tajweed, Quran, Tafsir, Hadith, jurisprudence, Arasat Diane, short and long courses, Arabic, Persian language, Islamic and prophets, events, prayer, 6 words with proper Hadith. First 5 days, free trial. Note we have high free and TESOL teachers contact. Note +923135169457 +923,075,106,500.